Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to check graphics card in Windows 10. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now first of all, there are two methods. The first one is just hit right click on the start button and now go to the settings. Here we have to click on system. Now scroll a bit and here you will find the option as advanced display settings. We have to click here. Here we have to click on display adapter properties for display 1. Just click here and as you can see the graphics card name is now visible. Mine one is Nvidia GeForce RTX 3060 and you can see the chip type, DAC type, adapter string, and also there are many more details available. You can see them as well, like total available graphics memory, dedicated video memory, and many more are there. You can see all of the details of your graphic card. And now the second step is also easy. In this case we just have to type here device manager because we are going to check our graphic card through the device manager option. Here you can see the display adapters option. We have to click on this little arrow and there you go, the Nvidia GeForce RTX 3060 name is visible. And also in case if you have connected two graphics card in your PC, you can see both graphics card name here. So this is the way you can check the graphics card. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.